What is going on, guys? In today's video we are installing all of these Fast and the Furious style decals. So I got these from a website called Hellbound. I don't know if they're still doing them or making them, but this was 4 years ago. So I had them in a climate controlled area inside my house, and they smell brand new and they're honestly in really good condition. So I got them for $300. Let's see how we put them on. Starting with this hood decal. So it is a Modern Image logo, but Modern Image didn't make it. So they're just tribute decals. Also, we have our boy Jav. You guys liked him in the last video. He is back. So he's gonna be helping us. We haven't done this, both of us haven't done this before, but we're gonna show you guys what it looks like when it's done. It should be a really cool result. So let's start with the hood decal.
We're gonna start off with the hood, like Seth said. We kind of looked at some reference pictures, just to kind of see where it'll go. And we kind of lucked out. I don't know if you guys saw the last video, but we kind of messed up a little bit here. And using those reference pictures, it should cover it a little bit. So I think we kind of lucked out a tad bit right there. So fingers crossed, it looks really good once we've laid it on top and you can't tell. So.
A lot of this doesn't stick, and that's just how transfer paper works. It's not that strong. You don't want to ruin the decal when you're lifting it off. So this doesn't stick, we tried it. So what we're gonna do is just press down everywhere that we can, and we're gonna do this to all the decals. And then hopefully that has a better chance at the transfer paper sticking to the actual logo. If it doesn't stick after that, you can get a X-Acto knife and then just lift up the edge and get it started, because then everything will follow. So let's see how this works. Based on our measurements, we did 7.5 on the left side and 7.5 on the right side. And that is going from the decal, because the transfer paper, the backing paper, it's a little different. So, I mean, we went from decal edges, and that's 7.5 on both sides. So it seems to be where we want it. And then we put tape for reference points. So what we're gonna do is lift up the backing, make sure the decal sticks to the clear backing. And then we're gonna cut the underneath, the blue part. And then we're just gonna stick down the backing, the clear, onto the hood, and then slowly roll it out, and then just press our way down on the decal. So that is the plan. Let's see how well it works. This is how it turned out, and honestly it turned out really well. So we just ripped it in a couple areas. I mean, that was just because this part stuck and then this one didn't. We didn't catch that. So that's pretty much the only thing, but honestly it turned out really good. Low key, this got messed up. So typically it would be down here, and honestly that looks so sick. But I mean, it's not gonna make any difference, and it's gonna hide my mess up if I put it right there. So we're gonna put it right there. This is my boy, Jaden. He's coming to help install the big decals, and he hasn't seen the Eclipse yet, so we're gonna show him.
Oh my gosh. Oh, it looks so clean.
Bro, it looks so sick.
Oh my god. It's so much better in person, I'm gonna be so honest.
So Jaden's gonna help put on these decals. I already cut out one to see how it fits. All right, so let's put this up.
Yeah, like try to mock it up.
Yeah. You say pull it back until here,
Yeah,
right?
pull it back until here.
So we're gonna cut the transfer, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna have to cut that, right? That's our point of cutting. That's cut. There you go.
Oh, that looks so sick.
Yeah, that actually.
That's so clean.
That, I'm gonna have to, I think clear coat legit might be the way.
So now we take off the
Yeah, this has to come
transfer
off.
from back there. Yeah, so what I'm thinking, like, Since we have this is gonna be our anchor.
Yeah, that's sucked down.
We'll roll the white parts back.
All right.
And then just as you're going, like thumb out the bubbles if there are any.
I think that's a good plan.
Yeah.
Okay, so we gotta start taking this off then?
We could roll it back just a little bit.
Yeah, just a little.
I'll roll it back to right here.
Okay. Yeah, right beyond that maybe. That's good.
Since I'm on this side, I'll peel it back and then you just like with your thumb or like with a card or something.
I'll do it with my thumb.
Okay.
Okay, this will be pretty good.
Yeah.
We're just gonna have to go slow. Okay. You might be able to roll it back until that point.
Yeah.
It should lay down, right? We just gotta watch
the
edges.
I'll keep this side up.
All right, guys, this is how it looks. It is outside and it looks so good. I think we all killed it and we all did such a good job. Honestly, I'm really proud because pretty much all of our first times doing this, and I wanted to do it this route and not hire someone that I know that's really good at it, because I wanted it to be more of an amateur attempt. So if you guys are at home trying to do this and you don't have any experience, you can relate to a video like this more than just a professional wrap shop, because it looks way different when professional wrap shops do it. They actually do it like so well. And I mean, I do want to do that approach down the line, but it's my first time painting, so it's not really necessary. So there's still some things I want to do, like there's only 2 stickers back here on the actual car from the movie, but I mean, it's not a replica, obviously, it's just a tribute. So I'm gonna put like the YouTube down there, and then I'm gonna repaint these end plates, and you can see my failed attempt. I put one of the APR stickers. I can get that reprinted, but I put one down and then it tore up when I took off the backing paper. The paint stuck with it. So I'm gonna have to redo that, but I mean, that's not a big deal. This was the only mess up we had. We had to go do something else, so I didn't get to finish this side. I'll get that reprinted. My neighbor actually can print this big graphic up, so I'm just gonna get him to print this wide body part. I mean, it's gonna be pretty easy. I just messed up because the contour was too extreme, and it was really hot outside, but tried my best. I have a solution, so I'm not even worried about that. Other than that, it looks really good. I mean, I'm gonna be really happy with it. Like, it's gonna be cool on the road. That's pretty much all I'm wanting to do with this. Another thing we're gonna have to do is when I get that reprinted and put on, I'm gonna clear coat over everything just so it sticks down even better. Ideally, get this professionally painted and then get somebody to airbrush the decals. I think that would be the best approach at this. But right now, it's not a perfect car and it's just my first attempt. I wanted to do this for 4 years, so to actually see it like this is pretty cool. But we got more videos planned. We just picked up a set of seats and you'll see that in one of our next videos. And then I got some bumper supports and we'll show you guys how those fit on and work. It's gonna be really cool. So that's pretty much it, and then we'll get it on the road. So thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.